Hello? Are things working? I think things are working. Cool. Right. Give me a second here. I think this noise gate is too I don't know. I think it's fine. It's fine. Hello everybody. Today we're gonna do, I shouldn't be leaking my DMs. Whoops. Today, we are going to do Advent of Code Day 2. Let me adjust that. Right, and I don't know how well this will go because I just restarted my system and did a software update. But in the process of doing that, Rosetta decided to recompile everything. Or is it no longer doing that? It might no longer be doing that. Instead, Telegram is taking up 61% of CPU. Why? What's happening today? Something is up with my system and I don't know what. What the heck is happening? What is happening? Is my computer okay? I don't know what's happening. Like my efficiency cores are going great. Okay, I think I need to restart Activity Monitor. It's acting very funky. Yeah, something is funky happening in my system. Yeah, OAD helper. I don't know why this isn't reporting it, but like the ahead of time compiler is just going busy, and I guess it does start with a software update. Why are you not? Okay, false quitting you. So I guess take a note, if you do a software update on OS update, it will probably recompile everything, which is not the best. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Advent of Code today's one should be released. There we go. So let's take a look at it. Let me pull up my environment. Give me a second. You would think that I would prepare this ahead of time, but nope. I'm not. And today is, oh, I don't want this window. Today is going to be a slower day. No, I just give me a new window. Again, this is going to be a short stream. I have something in the afternoon or evening that I need to prepare and go to. So because of that, I'm not going to do a long stream. And I'm just gonna do I just finished today's Advent challenge and do all the random admin I have to do and prep. But I think we'll still have some fun. So let's take a look. Let me scale it to a part where you can see both the code. Okay, the way the system scrolls. I'm gonna just show the sponsor for once and call it a day. So this is the sponsor, Smarty. Join our... What's Smarty? You say join our private leaderboard and solve our puzzles and get prizes. What is this? I don't know what you do. Oh, it's address verification. Okay, I might do that. Yeah, we'll do that in a sec. I need to register for stuff, so I probably can't do that on camera. But we'll take a look at this later. Address validation. POG. Okay, now we're gonna minimize, yeah, because I don't have space. Right. Okay, so this is day 2, rock, paper, scissors. The elves begin to start up camp on the beach to decide which tent gets close. Yeah, gets to be closest to the snack storage. A giant RPS tournament is already in progress. RPS, it's very great. It's a great game. Needs to be patched. You know, it doesn't get patch notes to make one nerfed. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. RPS is a game between two players. Each game contains many rounds. In each round, the player each simultaneously choose one of the rock RPS using a hand shape. Then a winner for the round is selected. Yeah, this is the typical RPS rules. Appreciative of your help yesterday. One Elves gives you an encrypted strategy guide. Your puzzle input that they say will be sure to help you win. The first column is what your opponent is going to play. The second column is blank. Must be what you should play in a response. Right. The winner of the whole tournament is the player with the highest score. Oh, winning every time will be suspicious. Right, your total sum of the scores of each round. The sum for the single has a series of the score, the outcome of the round. 0 if you lost, 3 if you draw, 6 if you won. The score for a single round is the score of the shape you selected. That's crazy, but okay. Since you can't be sure if the elf is how to help you or trick you, you should calculate the score if you would get if you were to follow the strategy guide. So this is annoying. So this is A is rock, and you respond with paper. B is paper, you respond with paper, you respond with paper. Scissors, you respond with what? First round you choose rock, you should choose paper. Yep, if paper, you should choose rock. Okay. Wait, the second round you would choose paper and you would choose rock. Okay, this end of lose. Okay. In this example, oh, okay. What would be your total score if everything goes according to your strategy guide? Gotcha. So the puzzle input already has the output. We just need to calculate the score from that. Right. Okay. Right, let me just copy that whole input. Can I just say command A, command C? Okay, let's gonna do the same. We're gonna put blah equals blank blank so it doesn't whatchamacallit? It doesn't oh yeah, the auto formatter doesn't mess it up. Right, so we have that, then we can put it there. So you just basically need to calculate the points based on A, Y, B, X, C, Z. Right, so we can do a switch. What I'm gonna do is, to make it easier, I'm just gonna code So first of all, the question is how do we split the input into something that is usable? And my theory is to just split it with the /n, a new line, meaning we will get strings like so. And based on the inputs, we can calculate the score. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a func, not def, sorry. Score calculation. We can technically have it a tuple, so we can put input. We can have it as a list, and I want it to be int. Yeah, I think I need to import it. Can you input it? Typing import list, and I want to return. Wait. It's been a while. I want to return an int. Do I need to put a capital int? Yeah, I do. You're not happy? You're not happy. None. Oh, because I'm not right. So, wait, it's not an int. Shoot, it's a string. String. Right. So the first thing I want to do is check A, B, C, D. Okay, we're gonna calculate the win score first. I'm wondering how I want to do this. Do I want to do a case and switch, which technically doesn't exist in Python? I mean, not natively. I think we would just do manually. So this is opponent. Opponent chooses. Okay, first of all, if the input length of the input is more than, if doesn't equals to 2. Wait, if equals to 2. Else, I want you to print error. Okay. Now, so then we have input. No, not input. Opponent equals input 0, and then not given, opponent and u. I want to say u, but that's not right. Choice. Let's just do choice. Input 1. I'm not sure if this would be a top. Well, that should be fine, because if you split by /n and split by that, it should be fine. Okay. Right. I want you, actually, let's continue as well, because let's just return 0. Right. Oh, I should throw. That's probably safer. I forgot to do how to or. Int or none. Yeah. Okay, next thing I want to do is... No. So if opponent equals... Okay, we're gonna put sum here. If opponent equals A, this is rock. Wait. This is dumb. If choice equals y, which is, what's y? Y is, no, let's do x first so it's easier for me to see. It's rock. LF choice equals y, which is scissors. LF choice equals Z. That is... Wait, no, that's scissors. This is paper. Right. And I should split everything. Not split, sorry, strip. Dot lower. No, don't dot. We do higher. Yeah, do higher. Upper. Let's just make it safe. Just strip it and upper it, so that it's the context is the same. Right. So if it's twice as rock, sum plus equals rock was rock. That is round was what the heck. Draw is. Zero if you lost. Okay, so draw. Time equals 3. I'm gonna make some cons. This is loss draw 1 equals 036. Yeah. So this is a draw. And then that is lost. Then sum plus equals 1. And then sum plus equals rock gets 1 as well, so we'll see. Aleph opponent. I'm just gonna copy most of this. Right, this will be B. Oops. And that is going to be, what's B? Paper. Yeah, let's just quickly finish this up and just do it. Oops. Oops. Okay, let's just get it out of the way. C is scissors, and then this is +2. This is +3, I think. Yeah, it doesn't make sense, but we don't we don't question it. Okay, if paper and we do rock, that's a lost. If they do paper, if they do paper, it's a draw. And that is going to be 1. Oops. And then same here. If we do that, that's a win. And that's paper, scissors. Wait, scissors. That's our loss on our side. Wait, what? Wait, if opponent does that, this is a win. And if we choose a tree scissors and our opponent uses a rock, that's a lose. Then that's a draw. Then that's that. So that is then return. Oops, where the frick am I? Then return sum. Okay. So that's our function. Next, we need to just validate the input. I'm gonna quickly test this with this for a second. So test input equals AY BX CZ. So we're gonna split it. So for line in test input dot split lines and print scores calculation, and we're going to do line dot split. That should be smart enough. Let's run that. 7 to 6. Oh, that's not right. Right. Why is it getting a 2? Oh, that's annoying. So it's based on your choice. Right, I should have done the opposite. That sucks, but we can just do it here. So what we do here is if choice. That's kind of annoying. I should have done it, summarized it in here. I got it wrong. It's not what the opponent chooses that adds your score. So I should have done the opposite, but it's fine. We can, without refactoring all of this nonsense, we can just do it here. Equals X. Then I want you to sum plus equals rock, right? Yeah. Rock is 1. Aleph choice equals Y. Then sum plus equals. There is a way to use a dictionary for this, I know, but this is easier to read. LF. We'll do LF. There shouldn't be an issue with it, but you never know. Plus equals 3. So let's run that again. That's 816. Yep, that seems correct. So with that being said, what will be your total score if everything goes according to strategy guide? Right, so this returns that. So what we can do is score calculations x dot split for x. Let's put line so I'm easier. Line for line in input dot split lines. Right, so this is the individual scores for each of it. Right, and then we do a dot sum. There's no dot sum. Sum. Yeah, I forgot. So it's this way. Whoa, why are you not happy? Right. Can I just remove none then? Because I am not. There's never a case where I return none anyway. Most of the time I'll return a sum, which could be an issue because if there's an error. I should do some error validation, but it's not necessary. So we can just do this. And let me just remove this. So if it works. That should be the answer. Yep, cool. I would have changed this to the choice instead of opponent so we can condense this into it, but it works. Let's see what's part 2 before we decide to if we want to make it a different Python file. Okay, the elf finishes helping the tent and sneaks back over to you. Anyway, the second, yeah, blah 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 blah. It's in the student course, but now you need to figure out what shape to choose so the round ends as indicated. What do you mean? I don't get it. Okay, this one is like, okay, that's what the second column means, but you need to figure out which shape to choose so the round ends as indicated. Oh, frick, what'd I do? In the first round, you choose. Okay. Okay, your opponent will choose a rock, and you need the round to end in a draw. Why? So you also choose rock. Choose paper, and you choose rock, so you lose. Where's my test one? Yeah, I get that. Now that you're decrypting the ultra top secret strategy guide, you will get a total score of 12. As opposed to last time, where I got 15. Oh, X means, oh, I'm dumb. Okay, X means you need to lose. Y. I am not reading. Y means you need to end around a draw. Z means you need to win. So I don't need to. Oh, that's easy. That means I just need to. Oh. Okay, so I still need to take into account. No, do I? Oh, okay. I need to take into account what this is. So I can choose I know what the extra score to give myself. So for example, if it's a rock and I need to draw it, I need to get the points of rock and add to it. Gotcha. So that's not too bad. I think I will do this in the same. Let me just put this as print. Let me just put what's this called? This is part 1. So that we have 2 different things. Ouch. So I just need to calculate score calculation for 2, which we will create a new function for that. Score calculation 2, and this should return an int as well. Lost draw 1, that's fine. We strip it and right. I think we can just remove this real quick. So based on what if, so let's handle the draw, win, or what, draw, win or lose score first. So if choice is equals to x, which means it is lose. I don't think I spelled lose right. Yeah, lose is only 1. lf choice. What are you doing? Meet. What are you doing? Choice equals y. What the heck? I keep pressing the wrong button. Y. Oh, because this one doesn't have this. Okay, it's not happy about that. Gotcha. This is win. Wait, no, lose. No, draw. Okay, left choice equals z. Then we need to win. Okay, win. So for lose, we just sum plus equals lose. Oops, lost. There's more to that. Don't worry, I'm aware of that. Draw and sum plus equals win. Right. Next thing we want to do is how to calculate the score based on that. So if lost, right. So if choice, if opponent equals A, I can't remember what A is. Rock. If opponent is rock and we lose to that, we need to add paper. Wait, no, add scissors. And LF opponent equals B, which is, no, you're still here, my dude. Paper. C, that is, I wonder if chat AI can actually figure this out. Scissors. Right, okay, so we need to add scissors, so sum plus equals, scissors is, I forgot the point for scissors. Oh, sorry, I'm using these new earphones, which aren't very comfortable. But they're very isolating, so I kind of like it. Scissors is, don't you love it when you don't remember what you need? I need to check. So X is rock. So scissors is Z tree. So sum plus equals paper. I lose, so it's rock. Rock, right? That should be it. Rock is 2, right? No, rock is X, so it's 1. Add paper. Plus equals paper is Y, and that's 2. Right, so this is basically how it works. Is this the most ideal? I think so. That's probably the easiest. It's easier if you just like create a function or a class so that it knows, or yeah, so you can encapsulate it. I don't know, but it works, so I'm not opposed to it. Let's do that. Rock, we need to draw, so add rock, add paper, add scissors. So scissors is 3, paper is 2, and this is 1. Right, and then do you think if I save it will auto? No, it doesn't. Like if I save it, does it win? So rock. If it's rock, we need paper. If it's paper, we need scissors, and if it's scissors, we need rock. I can't spell. Rock is 1. Scissors is 3. Paper is 2. That should work. Let's do this, but for let's X that and paste it down here. Seriously, comment that out. Let's calculation 2, right? Yeah. Let's run that. 417. That seems correct. So we can yank that, paste that, and paste 2 and 2. And hopefully just remove that. Let's run that. Right, let's see that. Sweet. And that's that. How long did that take? That took a bit longer. Right. Yeah. But it worked. Pretty happy with that. Did I learn anything? No, not really. I think there's a better way to do like switch statements. Because Python doesn't have native switch. You had to use a dictionary. I'm not sure if that one made it easier or harder. Not sure. I don't think it would. So I'm pretty happy. Yep. Sweet. Right. Alright, that's all for stream today. I need to settle other admin stuff. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I would go. If I will stay streaming. I'll end this right now. Pretty happy. Have a look out. See ya. Bye.